If you've got multiple properties but your accounts only show one overall profit number, you might not actually know which of your properties in your portfolio are performing the best. With the right setup in Xero, you can track the profit and loss of each of your individual properties. I'm a property accountant and portfolio landlord, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use tracking categories in Xeros to track the profit and loss of each of your properties in your portfolio. Firstly then, what is a tracking category? Very simply, it's a setting in Xero which enables you to categorize different income and expenses. So for example, you could break it down depending on region or different type of income. For the case of property investors, it's a really useful tool because it enables you to set expenses and income to individual properties in your portfolio. Watching for a demonstration now. Okay, so from the home page of Xero, yours will look something a bit like this. If you're going to go into reporting and then profit and loss, you'll notice that basically your profit and loss is all merged together. There's no way of differentiating between different properties. So what we need to do then is click on accounting settings, and then under tracking categories. Once we're in there, we're going to click add tracking category. We're going to call it property, and then you're going to list all of the different properties below. I usually use the first line of the address to keep it nice and simple, but I've just called these flat 1, 2 and 3. Then I'm going to click save. Now once we go into home, we're going to click on reconcile. You'll notice now there's an option to select which flat the costs apply to. So for every single transaction, when we reconcile, we can basically link it to a specific property. So importantly, that's going to enable us to set up bespoke reports in Xero, which enable us to view the profit and loss by each different property, which might look a bit something like this. You can be able to have much more fidelity in terms of your reporting and see your profit and loss of your each individual properties. And importantly, as a next step, if we want to, we can also link this to dashboards, which can enable us to give us all of the key information we need on a regular basis to run our property portfolio. That can be done by connecting Xero to another piece of software such as Looker Studio. Hope you found this video useful. If so, you're going to love this next one, where I'll give you a full walkthrough as to how you can set up your Xero account for a property investment company.